Hi there, my name is Alex. In today's short video, I will introduce you to geofencing. So what exactly is a geofence? A geofence provides a way to draw a virtual fence around an area. When your equipment enters or leaves this area, you can be alerted. To begin, log into your Fleet 1 tracking account. Next, click on the gear icon on the left. Next, click on Geofences. If you have any geofences already configured, you will see them displayed. In our case, we are going to create a new geofence, so please click on the button that say Create Geofence on Map. This can be found in the upper right of your screen. On this map, you need to find the location that you would like to geofence. For example, if you would like to be alerted if your equipment leaves your neighborhood, then zoom into your neighborhood. Otherwise, you can enter an address in the upper right. Once you have zoomed into the area of interest, you can select the polygon tool. This is the third button on the left. To begin, simply put the first dot on the map by left-clicking. Next, select the second point by left-clicking. Continue until you have the area fence. Once you are done, simply click on the first dot and the polygon will be enclosed. Please give this geofence a name, such as Home. Our geofence is now created and you can see it on the list. Next, we need to set up an alert which will tell the LoneStar Tracking system when to alert you. To start, click on Alert Settings. On this screen, you will see all of the alerts you currently have configured. Next, click the button called Add New Alert. This is located in the upper right of your screen. You will now see a list of available alerts. Find the alert titled Arrives, Leaves the Geofence. Please click this alert. First thing we need to do is to assign the geofence we created in the previous step to this alert. To do this, simply click the drop-down box and select your geofence. Next, choose if you want to be alerted when your equipment arrives in the geofence, leaves the geofence, or both. Now, select if this applies to all your vehicles or only a select few. Next, select the time this geofence will be enabled. For example, you may only want the geofence active at night or on the weekends. You can make that selection here. Lastly, select how you would like to receive the alert. You can receive an email, text message, or both. As well, you can add additional people to the list who will receive the same alert. Note, this is an unlimited service, so there are no additional charges. Lastly, click Save and your geofence will be running. So now that you have your geofence set up and running, there are a few more items that I should mention. First, you need to remember that each geofence must have an alert setup. If you only set up the geofence, but not the alert, you will never receive the alert on your phone. Next, when drawing your geofence, make it bigger than the area you intend to monitor. GPS accuracy can fluctuate, sometimes giving you 3-foot accuracy and other times giving you 20-foot accuracy. If your geofence is too small, your tracker can send you a false alert. We recommend making your geofence a few hundred feet bigger than the area you intend to monitor. The last point to mention is that the geofence alert will only trigger as fast as the ping rate on your GPS tracker. For example, imagine that your tracker is configured to report position every 30 seconds. If someone steals your car at night, every 30 seconds the position will update. So if the vehicle crosses the geofence, the alert could be delayed up to 30 seconds. Now, imagine that your GPS tracker is configured to update every 5 minutes. Your geofence alert could be delayed up to 5 minutes. Thank you for taking the time to learn about geofencing with the LoneStar Tracking software system. If you have any questions about the topics we spoke about, give us a call. Our GPS tracking experts are here to make your life easier and help you along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to learn more about the features of our GPS tracking system. Have a great day.